morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 9 CBSE syllabus, 9th chapter, areas of parallelograms and triangles. Exercise 9.3. Already 2 exercises I have completed. This is the third exercise. In this already I have completed 13 sums. 13th sum I have given in the description box. You can check. 14th sum. So in the figure, AP parallel to BQ. So AP is parallel to BQ and parallel to CR. So all three lines are parallel to each other. Prove that area of AQC, this triangle, area of AQC is equal to area of PBR. Area of PBR. So these two areas are equal. We need to prove. The only thing given is they are parallel to each other. So with this we can easily say that parallel lines, between the parallel lines and the common base, two triangles are equal in area. So first we will take AP and BQ. That parallel lines we will take. So first we will write what are all the things given. So given AP parallel to BQ parallel to CR. So they are parallel to each other. So now we will give the proof for this. So how we can write the proof for this? So the proof can be AP. First we will take AP parallel to BQ. AP parallel to BQ. So if AP is parallel to BQ, triangle AQB, and triangle PBQ are between the parallels between AP and BQ, between the parallels AP and BQ and common base, and with the common base BQ, and with the common base BQ, both the areas are equal. BQ, the area of the triangles are equal. The area of the triangles are equal. So which two area of the triangle? Area of triangle AQR is equal to area of triangle PBQ. So we will take this as the first equation. Okay. Then we will take another set of parallel lines. BQ parallel to CR. BQ parallel to CR. So in this we will take BQ as the base. So triangle CBQ and triangle RBQ are between BQ and CR, are between BQ and CR, and with the common base, BQ, and with common base BQ, we'll get area of triangle CBQ is equal to area of triangle RBQ. So both the areas are equal. So we'll take this as the second equation. So when we add this AQR and PBQ, sorry, this is not AQR, AQB. So this one AQB, not R, AQB. So it is between AP and BQ only. So AQB. Okay, AQB and PBQ. So we will get this triangle. So when we add AQB is this part. AQB is this part, and CBQ. So that is this part. So when we add this, what we will get? We will get the full triangle AQC. So whatever is required, that we will get. The same way on the other side also we will get. When we add, we will get PBQ. So this one, this side we will get. Same way RBQ. So we will get this one. So whatever is the required one, we will get. Okay, whatever is the required one, we will get. So, adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2, we will get area of AQB plus area of CBQ is equal to area of PBQ plus RBQ. Area of RBQ. So if we add this, we'll get the full triangle. AQC. Area of AQC is equal to PBR. Area of PBR. So whatever we are asked to prove, that we have proved with the help of the property that area of triangle between the same parallel and between the common base are equal in area. With the help of that property, whatever required result we are asked to prove, that we have proved. Okay, thank you.